Hi guys and welcome to another video. So in this video we're gonna talk about the float data type. Okay, so one of the situations that you would basically use this or need this is when you are working with something that needs precision, something like in finance, okay, or in mathematics in general, because not every time integers will be enough to work on a problem. So I'm gonna write a comment. So I'm gonna show you guys how to write a comment. You just type slash slash, and you could type this is a comment for example. This is a comment. So that's how you can write comments on your code to help the readers or other developers to read your information that you might want to use, because sometimes it's very useful to have this information. So uh, without any further ado, let's just start with creating a variable called let's start by the pi variable. Okay, so I'm gonna type pi equal, and I'm gonna try to write this number because it's a infinite number, but I just remember some of the values: 3.14, 1592, 65, I guess. And we need to add a postfix to this data type. If not, it won't work. Okay, so we do that by adding an f to the end of this object. So that's it, and we could now call console.writeLine, and the pi number is let's add a column, and let's add the number right here. So this is what we did. As you guys can see, what I did was to create the pi number, which is available inside of .NET framework, okay, which I'm gonna talk about later. But if I execute, I'm gonna see this on the screen, as you guys can see. And as you guys can already notice, I don't have any of the numbers that I've just added. I just have the first 6 after the comma, okay? Why is that? Well, this is because of the precision issue, okay? So the float is the last precise version of a float number in C#. There is another more precise versions that I'm going to talk about later, but just for now, just keep in mind that this is the most common float data type. We don't usually use this. We usually use the other one that I'm gonna show you guys next video. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and see you guys next time.